Good morning kids. I hope you all are fit and fine at your places. So kids, in our today's video, we will study the chapter 10 Hututu and it is part 2. See kids, in our part 1 chapter 10, we have studied about this lesson. Yes, now we will continue this chapter in this video also. Now kids, today we will start this chapter 10, Hututu, with a name. Yes. Karnam Malleshwari. Today we will start this chapter with the name Karnam Malleshwari. Now kids, who is this Karnam Malleshwari? See kids, she is a girl. Yes, she is a girl and she is a weightlifter. Now kids, you can see in the picture beta, who is the weightlifter? The person who lift weight. So, Karnam Malleshwari is a weightlifter. She lives. Now where she lives? She lives in a state named Andhra Pradesh. Kids, you can see in the map kids, where is Andhra Pradesh? To your right hand side. You can see in this state beta, this Karnam Malleshwari lives. Means she belongs to Andhra Pradesh. And she is a weightlifter. Now kids, she started weightlifting. She started weightlifting when she was 12 years old. Yes. When she was 12 years old, she started weightlifting. Yes, she started lifting weight when she was 12 years old. Means from the 12th age, she started doing this or she started playing this game, weightlifting. And her father is a police constable. So this is the story of Karnam Malleshwari kids. You can see that she started her weightlifting when she was 12 years old and she is a famous weightlifter now. See kids, this girl Karnam Malleshwari has won means she has brought 29 medals. Yes, 29 medals in international events. International means the events which held outside the country. International events. And now she can put on the weightlifting, means she can take the weight of 130 kilograms now. She has won many medals and 29 medals in international events, means the events which held outside the country. See kids, this is a very famous girl and her name is Karnam Malleshwari. I think beta, you have read this name in the newspapers and I also think that you have heard it also earlier. Now, after seeing Karnam Malleshwari, her 4 sisters. Yes, this means that how many sisters she have? She have 4 sisters. Her 4 sisters also started practicing the same game, weight lifting. And Kannam Malleshwari is a famous weight lifter. Now see kids, this is a story of Kannam Malleshwari. Now we will move to the story of three sisters. Now kids, we will talk about the three girls. The first is Jwala, the second is Leela, and the third is Hira. These are the three girls, Jwala, Leela and Hira. Now where they live? They live in Mumbai. You can see in the picture kids, where is Mumbai? It is to the left hand side. Yes, Mumbai. You can see in the picture kids, Mumbai, and it is a state. Mumbai is a state. So here these three girls, Jwala, Leela and Hira lives. Now what these three girls used to play? These three girls used to play Kabaddi. Yes, these three girls used to play Kabaddi. Play. Jwala, Leela and Hira, they play a game that is called Kabaddi. Now kids, in our previous video, if you remember, we have discussed about this game Kabaddi. Now in this video, we will learn about these three girls, Jwala, Leela and Hira, and how they continued to play this game Kabaddi. Now kids, all of them played Kabaddi and they also taught this game to others also. Now kids, when these girls were young, they faced many problems. Yes, they faced many problems because people don't allow them to play this game. Now first of all, why? The first reason was marriage. People used to think that if the girl will play this game Kabaddi, no boy will marry that girl. So the reason was marriage. The first reason was marriage and the second reason was clothes. As you all know beta, that in Kabaddi you have to wear short clothes like boys, and the people think that it is not good for the girls to wear those short clothes like boys. So these were the two reasons or the two problems you can say which these three girls faced. First one was marriage and the second was clothes. Now kids, when these girls were very young, their father died. Now who were the guardians of these girls? Guardian means who have taken care of these girls. Guardian. The first was their mother. And the second was mama. Now who is mama? Mama is the maternal uncle. Mama means maternal uncle. You know beta, mama means mother's brother. So who was the guardian? Guardian means who has taken care of these girls? The mother and the mama. Now these kids means these girls have two mama. Yes beta. They have two mamas and these both mamas, they used to play the game Kho-Kho and the second game was Kabaddi. Yes. They used to play two games. The first was Kho-Kho and the second was Kabaddi. Now both of the uncle encouraged these girls to play this game kabaddi because they were also used to play kho-kho and kabaddi. So they encouraged these girls to play kabaddi and they also taught these girls this game. Now kids, these girls are sharing their experience. Yes, they are sharing their experience that almost 50 years ago when they started playing this game. Almost 50 years ago when they started playing this game, that time people don't allow girls. Yes, people don't allow girls to play these type of games, means rough games. As I've told you that Kho-Kho or Kabaddi is a rough game in my previous video. So at that time, people don't allow girls to play these type of games. So at that time, who supported these girls? Their mother and their mama. Yes, these both supported these girls to play this game. Now kids, when these three girls started playing this game, means started learning this game, other girls also joined them and they formed a club which is called Kabaddi Club. And this club is active even today. Yes, this club is called Kabaddi Club. And this club is active even today. And this is formed by these three girls. Now we will take the topic remembering those days. Means we will talk about the memories of these girls. Now kids, whenever we talk about this game Kabaddi, these girls Leela and Hira became very excited. Yes, with the excitement they used to tell the stories about their matches, that how they won the game which previously they were losing, and many more memories they used to share. Now kids, we will discuss one memory of these girls. So let's start. One time there was a big match in a town and the timing of that match was 6:30 p.m. And these girls thought that they should watch a movie in between. So for a movie they went to cinema hall. And what was the movie time? The movie time was 3 to 6. You can see the timing kids. The movie was 3 to 6 and their match timing was 6:30, means just after half an hour they had to play one kabaddi match. Now these girls thought that after watching the movie they can went back and they can play the match. But when the movie started, their mama, yes, their mama went to the cinema hall with a torch and they found all the girls and he scolded them a lot. That was a scolding also, that was scaring also, and it was a great fun when these girls remember those days. Now you can see kids that these sisters had to face many difficulties. Yes, they had faced many difficulties in this game, but this is also some fun. Yes, they did not reduce their fun. They enjoyed playing this game and make their name. One more thing is there kids. Girl Hira, she became Kabaddi coach. Yes. Now beta, what is the meaning of coach? Coach means instructor or a teacher. Means a teacher who used to teach the game. Now she is a Kabaddi coach. This means that she used to teach other kids or other children how to play Kabaddi. Now why she is Kabaddi coach? So that she can tell kids or she can teach kids this game, that how enjoying this game is. And the children can also enjoy and play many games, especially Kabaddi. Now kids, with this we have completed our chapter. I think you have a great fun studying about these three girls and one lady, that is Karnam Maleshwari. Now kids, let's move to the activity.
Page number 80. What does it mean to be out in games? When does one gets out in Kabaddi? To be out in a game means that the player cannot continue the game for a certain time. One gets out if he stops saying Kabaddi, Kabaddi. Next question. In some games, it is very important to touch the player. For example, in the game of Kho-Kho, you get out when someone touches you. You also get your turn by someone's touch. Name some games in which it is very important to touch the players. One is Kho-Kho, second is hide and seek, third is arm wrestling. Third question. In Kabaddi, the entire team was out because Shamla touched the line. What are some other games in which the central line is very important? Kids, central line means midline. Hockey, football, tug of war. Last question. What are the games in which, besides the players, you have to touch some things or colors? Answer is lemon race, grab and tag, farmer farmer. Page number 81. Now kids, it's a self exercise. You have to find out the answers of these questions by your own. First of all, do you play Kabaddi? If you play, write it yes or no. Is there a girls' Kabaddi team in your school? Yes. Do you think that your grandmother played Kabaddi when they were your age? Now in this question, you have to ask your grandmother. Next, in the right hand side, there is one pink color box. Now, do girls in your area play Kabaddi or any other outdoor game? In this question, you have to find out that in your area, any girl used to play Kabaddi or any outdoor game. Is there are girls who do not play, then what are the reasons for them not playing? Discuss. Now you have to find out the reasons that why they do not play Kabaddi or any outdoor game. Page number 83. Have you learnt any game from a coach? Which one? I learnt games like cricket, basketball and football from coaches. Next, do you know of anyone who has learnt any game from a coach? My friends are learning basketball from a coach. Now kids, in both of these questions, one word is there, that is coach. Coach means either instructor or a teacher who tell you how to play a specific game.